afternoon, good evening, according to watching my video. So today I'm coming with something. I want us to learn how we can take care of our gardens in our community. Chino, so we are going to learn how we take a good care of our garden. By the way, learning how to take care of our garden does not need a school. As we can learn from abantu betusanga, our neighbors, people that are near us. So today, let's show them how my garden looks. So previous days, we were uprooting some weeds from this garden, and we planted beans. Being a rainy season, rainy, you're seeing some coming back, but after the next video you will not find them here. So we are going to clean up our banana. This one is very tall. You see my size, but still I cannot leave it dirty. I have to do it no matter the tallness or the longness of the banana. Thank you. So we are going to start and think how some of us are paying people to come and do this simple work at our home, and yet very easy to do. Hire me. I can do it for you, and very well. You know? So we are cleaning our machete. There are very many uses of cleaning our banana plantation. Removing this dry. It is really long, but we have to clean it up. I don't know whether you see what I'm doing, but it is very easy. You will see how it will look after cleaning it up. Also, as we are cleaning our banana plantation, this one, as you're seeing it is very dry, so it is spoiled. Right now it needs to be removed. Why? Look at its tallness or its longness. There is a higher competition for sunlight, water, and actually spread of pests. Look at how it is dry. So this dryness, you can never know. After taking up the water that had to be for these others that are still growing, that might be productive in some years to come, this is taking up its water. So what we have to do right now is to cut this out of it all and leave a greater place for this. You're leaving this that is dead, it might spread the pests that made it dry up to these other ones that might be productive in years to come. So what we do is to cut this off. You see that it is spoiled from here. Come and show them. It is spoiled from this side, so we do not know. The pests, look at the inside, the insects inside. You never know, it might spread these same insects to these ones, to these neighbors. So we have to cut it. We have to remove this. You see how it is written and So you see that gap, Now they're even shaking, accepting the sunshine to go through it. So the nutrients, it has even been taking up the nutrients that these neighbors would have taken. So let me remove it all. You see, it has really been eaten up. See that? So we are protecting these other bananas. Can I please have my knife? This one. Look at how healthy this banana now it looks. Now we have the chances of it producing good matoke is the chances are very high. The probability is very, very high for them to produce healthy matoke and good ones. So let us work on this. You see how it will actually look. You do not need to hire anyone. Very simple to do. You wake up early in the morning, you can do this as an exercise. Do you know how many times I walk a day? Very healthy. So, it is better spending your money hiring someone. You do it yourself at home. This one, we would have loved it, but look how it is dry. So you remove it. This one is also dry. Remove it too. See? Beautiful it looks now. This, I'll cut this out still, leaving my other banana plantation. Looks good. I think you saw how beautiful it is. Oh, this matoke, this chitoke, it was about to fall. So what I did is to stake. Staking, this is a process when a matoke is going to fall, when a banana plantation is going to fall. So you bring in something to help it, support it, not falling. So this is what I did, but still have to clean it. So you'll see, you might see the garden after it's cleaning. I'll show you the outcome. This is Edith Cups. Please subscribe, like, follow this channel, comment that you would need to know about village life. I'm here to serve you. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Edith Cups, you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. After subscription, you find my videos just coming to your for you, just for you coming out for you on your for you page. So please like, comment. Thank you a lot.